I've got the OnePlus 7 Pro here, and today I want to show you how to boot up the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro into what is known as Safe Mode. Safe Mode is a special boot mode for Android that Google has baked into the operating system. Most OEMs allow easy access to Safe Mode because it is a nice way to troubleshoot any type of issue that your device is experiencing. This is mainly due because third-party applications tend to have a lot of control over what they can do and when they can do it on your smartphone. And this can lead to various issues, including performance issues or overheating or poor battery life. So if at any time you have noticed that your device is acting differently, even a simple like force close, if an application is just force closing all the time, a good way to troubleshoot to see if a third-party application is causing that issue, again, could be overheating. If your device is overheating, a way to troubleshoot that is to boot the device into safe mode. If you've noticed the device is performing poorly, booting into safe mode actually prevents and disables all third-party applications from opening. It disables them and prevents them from opening. So if there is an application that is currently eating up a lot of CPU cycles, which can cause overheating, it can cause poor performance, it can cause poor battery life. So a good way to check if a third-party application is causing one of these issues, we want to boot it into safe mode. And there are a couple of ways we can do this. First, we can bring up the power menu, and then we can tap and hold on the power off option. You can see that's going to instantly bring up a prompt. It's going to remove the power menu and bring up this prompt asking if you want to reboot into safe mode. I'm just going to tap on OK, and that's going to reboot our OnePlus 7 Pro here. And during the boot cycle, it's going to trigger a flag. Actually, it's going to create a file which will tell Android to boot this device into safe mode. Again, while the device is booted into safe mode, it's actually going to disable our third-party applications. You can see we have this watermark here at the bottom left corner. Some OEMs will use a notification to remind you that you are in safe mode. OnePlus does not. And as you can see, we have our regular first-party applications, our pre-installed applications are in full color. And that's because we can open them like normal. We can open our settings application. We can open our Google Play Store. We can open our gallery. We can open our phone application, our texting application, even Chrome and Gmail. All of those first-party applications that are already installed on the device are in full color and you can use them. But you can see our third-party applications, like Plex here, Mario Kart, CPU-Z, Push Bullet, they're all grayed out. The icons are grayed out, and they are not even present in the application drawer. When we try to open up one of those grayed out applications, it tells us that it has been disabled because we are currently in safe mode. And that's the whole point here. We want to disable any and all third-party applications to troubleshoot to see if one of those applications is causing whatever issue you're currently having. Again, whether it's overheating or poor performance, poor battery life, force closing, any type of stuttering issue that you're noticing, it could be because one of these third-party applications is just constantly running in the background, or it's trying to run and it's being force closed over and over, or various other things. So a very quick and easy way to troubleshoot that is to just boot up into safe mode, try to use your phone as much as you can normally, and see if you're still experiencing those same issues while the device is in safe mode. If you don't experience those issues in safe mode, then it's going to be caused by one of those third-party applications, and you're going to need to find out which one it is. If the issue is still happening while the device is in safe mode, then it's probably a hardware issue, or maybe something to do with the Android operating system install itself, in which a factory reset or a manual flash of the system images will be a good way to alleviate those issues. Now, once you are done doing your testing in safe mode, all we have to do is bring up this power menu again and then do a restart. As long as we did not bring up that pop-up menu by holding the power down button and telling the device to reboot into safe mode again, we just do a regular restart, then it will boot us out of safe mode. And you'll see this here. The watermark will be gone. Our third-party applications will be in full color and we can open them. So there you have it. That is how we can boot our OnePlus 7 and our OnePlus 7 Pro both into and out of Android's safe mode.